we are going to attempt to take the flywheel off. You see me banging around trying to figure out, well, there's a special piece you can buy from Yamaha that will fit in this thing and then loosen it up. Well, I don't have that, and I was able to go to my neighbor's house who is a mechanic, and he had this. So we're going to attempt to try to use this. This is a puller, and I'm thinking it's going to work, so we're going to try that. There it goes. Popped off. We got that thing off. So, but now what I want to do is take off this flywheel, and what I got for that is some Pittsburgh, some Harbor Freight tools here. I got is this breaker. Back, what we're going to do is attempt to break these things free. So I think all you have to do is put that thing in there and then hit it with the hammer. Haha, it is. That worked.